This brand new ETF just hit the market, and it's the first of its kind. Most investors have never heard of it, and those who have often misunderstand what it actually does. But overlooking this fund could mean missing a unique investment opportunity. Today, we're breaking down TMGN to see what makes it different, how it works, and whether it deserves a place in your portfolio. Part 1. What is TMGN? TMGN is the Tap Alpha Cboe Magnificent 10 Growth and Daily Income ETF, officially launched on July 2026, becoming the first ETF of its kind. The fund is designed to track the Cboe Magnificent 10 Index, which consists of 10 large-cap U.S. companies at the forefront of today's biggest growth trends, including artificial intelligence, cloud computing, digital infrastructure, and advanced technology. What truly sets TMGN apart is its unique strategy. Rather than simply buying and holding these companies like a traditional ETF, TMGN combines long-term capital appreciation with daily income generation through an actively managed option strategy layered over its portfolio. By systematically capturing short-term option premiums, the fund aims to provide investors with exposure to some of the market's most innovative companies while generating consistent cash flow, offering a modern approach that blends growth and income in a single ETF. Part 2. Key characteristics. One of TMGN's defining features is its focus on daily income generation through the use of short-dated options contracts. By utilizing zero-DTE options, the fund seeks to maximize premium collection while benefiting from rapid time decay and reducing the risks associated with holding longer-dated options. This strategy is designed to generate a consistent stream of option income while maintaining exposure to the Magnificent 10 portfolio. TMGN is expected to pay monthly distributions, with a projected yield likely exceeding 10%, similar to other option income ETFs such as TSPY. The fund carries an expense ratio of 0.88%, and its option strategy is also designed with tax efficiency in mind, helping reduce the tax burden often associated with frequent income distributions. Part 3. Top holdings. TMGN explicitly tracks a list of 10 massive tech innovators that drive the current global economy. The portfolio features dominant players like NVIDIA, AMD, Palantir, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Broadcom, Meta, and Alphabet. This allocation ensures that the fund captures a broad, balanced cross-section of the entire modern technology sector, with the underlying equity basket reviewed quarterly for reserve list updates and rebalanced monthly. Part 4. Performance. Since TMGN just began trading recently, it doesn't yet have a long-term performance history or track record for investors to evaluate. For now, the fund's returns will primarily reflect the performance of the Cboe Magnificent 10 Index, combined with the gains or losses generated by its actively managed option strategy. As the fund matures, investors will be able to assess how effectively it balances long-term capital appreciation with its goal of generating consistent monthly income. Part 5. Why invest in TMGN? The biggest reason investors are choosing TMGN is its ability to generate meaningful income from some of the world's fastest-growing technology companies, businesses that typically pay little or no dividends. Instead of relying solely on long-term price appreciation, investors can potentially earn consistent monthly cash flow while maintaining exposure to powerful trends. Best of all, TMGN automates the entire option strategy, eliminating the complexity, time commitment, and transaction costs of managing daily options yourself. If this video helped you better understand TMGN, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more ETF and long-term investing content.